Assalamualaikum dear student, I am your English teacher from class nursery. This is your English book. Open it. Look at page number 11. Today we read and review letter B. And what is the sound of letter B? B. B ball. B ball. B ball. B balloon. B balloon. B balloon. B bag. B bag. B bag. B bat. B bat. B bag. Now we do page number 13. In this page we write and trace letter B. And what is the sound of letter B? B. And B is sky letter. B is sky letter. ये स्काई लेटर है. आपको पता है स्काई का क्या मतलब होता है? स्काई का मतलब है आसमान. ये देखिए आपको आसमान नज़र आ रहा है. आसमान. और आसमान कहाँ होता है? ऊपर. इसलिए हम इसे स्काई लेटर कहते हैं कि लेटर बी जो है वो फर्स्ट लाइन से स्टार्ट होकर थर्ड लाइन पे फिनिश होता है. ये फर्स्ट लाइन से स्टार्ट होता है और थर्ड लाइन पे ये फिनिश हो जाता है. इसलिए हम इसे स्काई लेटर कहते हैं. Letter B is a sky letter. And what is the sound of letter B? B. Now trace B with me. First draw standing line from first line and stop it in third line. Okay. Now turn around from second line and stop it in third line. Which letter is this? B. And what is the sound of B? B. Again, look at here. First, draw standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. You draw from first line to third line. And draw. And around from second line and stop it in third line. B. Again. Look at here. Draw a standing line and stop it here. Now turn around from here and stop it in fourth line. B. Which letter is this? B. And what is the sound of it? B. 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 Again, look at here. Draw a standing line and turn it from here and stop it here. Draw a standing line and turn from here and stop it here. B. Okay, read with me. B. 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 Okay, now you write by own. First you trace the letter, then you write it. Okay, draw a standing line and turn from second line, turn around and stop here. B. Look at here. B. What is this? B. What is this? B. Read with me. Read and write. B. B. Complete your page number 13 at home. Okay, Allah Hafiz.